thunderstorm warning for northeastern Polk County in central Iowa, southeastern Story County in central Iowa, Marshall County in central Iowa, northwestern Jasper County in central Iowa, until 9 p.m. At 8:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Valeria, or 10 miles northeast of Altoona, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marshalltown, State Center, Baxter, Maxwell, Melbourne, Gilman, Albion, Collins, Rhodes, Mingo, Laurel, Haverhill, and Ferguson. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 157 and 159. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Jasper, Marshall, Polk, and Story.